In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product barcode in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to keep everything smooth and organized. Start by opening your browser and going to Google, then type GoDaddy to find the official site. Click through to the GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page for your account name. Click it to open the account menu and choose My Products. This takes you to a central place where all your domains and services live. From here, locate the domain connected to the website or store you want to manage. If you have several domains, double-check you're selecting the one that hosts your online store. Click Manage to open that site's dashboard. If your store is part of GoDaddy's e-commerce tools, you'll see the store controls available here. Inside the dashboard, open the Store section. This is where your catalog, orders, and inventory tools are grouped. Next, go into Products. You should see your product list, and among the options, a link or tab for Barcode Manager. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the navigation or using the page search. Keep in mind, access to Barcode Manager may require an e-commerce plan, and you'll need the right permissions on the account. In Barcode Manager, click Add Products. A list of your products will appear. Select the product or products you want to generate barcodes for. If a product has variations, such as different sizes or colors, you may see each variant listed separately so you can choose exactly what needs a barcode. Make your selections carefully, then confirm by clicking Add. Back in the Barcode Manager view, click Create Barcodes. GoDaddy will generate barcodes for the items you just added. If your products already have SKUs, those will typically inform the barcode data, so it's a good idea to make sure your SKUs are unique and accurate before this step. If you notice anything off, you can go back to your product details, fix the SKU or variant info, and return to generate the barcodes again. That's the entire process. Sign in, open My Products, choose the right domain, go to Store, open Products, head into Barcode Manager, add the products you need, and create your barcodes. Give the page a moment to update, and you're all set to use barcodes for inventory control and faster product lookup within your GoDaddy store. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.